Good morning, students. Today we are going to see after the scattering. Last class we have studied about the types of scattering. What are the scatterings? Elastic scattering, inelastic scattering. In under inelastic scattering, we have studied about Rayleigh scattering, Mie scattering, Tyndall scattering, and Raman scattering. Then dispersion we have studied in the last class. Now we are going to study about lenses. What is a lens? Lens is nothing but an optically transparent medium bounded by two spherical refracting surface or one plane and one spherical surface. This is a lens. What is a lens? Lens is an optically transparent medium bounded by a two spherical refracting surface or one plane and one spherical surface. In this, there are two types of lenses. One is convex lens and another one is concave lens. One is convex lens and another one is concave lens. In this convex, we can say it as biconvex lens or biconcave lens. What is convex lens? Already we studied lens is a two spherical surface, optically transparent medium. It comes bounded by two spherical surface. In this convex lens, the center of the lens is thicker than at the edges. Whenever a beam of light passing through it, it converges at a point. So this lens is called as converging lens. Convex lens is always called as converging lens. Just opposite, we will see that in the concave lens. It is a lens bounded by the same two spherical surfaces in such a way that the center part will be thinner comparing to the edges. And whenever a parallel beam of light passes through it, it diverges the light or spread out. So it diverges. So it is called as a diverging lens, and the diverging lens is a concave lens. Converging lens is a convex lens and diverging lens is a concave lens. Other than we set one plane surface and one spherical surface. In that there is a two type, plano-convex lens and plano-concave. Two types, plano-convex and plano-concave. One is a plane surface and another one is a curved surface. Such a thing is called as plano-convex and plano-concave. Converging lens. The first one you are seeing is convex lens. One side, double side, biconvex lens, and next one plano. One surface is plane, another surface is curved, so it is a plano convex. This is positive meniscus. Both the curved surface. One is concave surface and another one is convex surface. This is positive meniscus. The same concave lens, you can see that one edge is curved very deeply, one edge is curved slightly. This is called as concave lens. Biconcave lens, both the sides or the curving will be same. It's called as biconcave lens. Plano-concave lens, one is plane, another one is curved. So this is plano-concave lens. Negative meniscus, the first one is convex and second one is concave, is called as negative meniscus. These are the different types of lenses. Then we will see the eye and its defects, part of eye and its defects. In the next class, I will teach you about an images formed by the concave lens and convex lens. At a time, if you see the full lens, it will be in a confused manner. So in the next class, or else after the eye defects, I will be teaching you the images formed by the convex lens and the rules. Okay, thank you.